Okay, let's talk about pages versus posts. Now, for our purposes, and by that, what I mean is I'm a big fan of keeping everything simple. So I think we should focus only on pages. Um, Everything we do is going to be a page, and a page is very simple. You make a page, and it has the content you want. Let's look at some live examples. I'm going to use slamacademy.com because it's one I know really well because I built it. Um, Slam uses both pages and posts, but it's almost all pages. So pretty much everything you see here in these menus is a page. So let's go to this certifications overview button. Okay, so this is a page. So this is my content area, and I put some headings, and then I just type this text as normal, put a little image, headings, bold, links, so you just type this stuff on a page, and it's easy. This is a separate little box where we put other stuff, and in most cases, and this is probably true on your theme as well, the reason we have this little box over here is because this stuff stays the same on every page. So really, when we edit a page, we're only editing this box. Because this is going to be the same. Like if I go to a different page, this stuff is all the same on the right over here. So these are all pages. They're the way, that you just type in the text. It works just like, Microsoft Word. You put the text how you want, and it's easy. Now, why do we even have posts? Posts are a carryover from the blog platform. They can be useful. Let me show you one example where I used posts. Instructors. Okay, this is a page that uses posts, and the way this page works, it's a bit more complicated, which is why I'd rather, for the purposes of keeping it simple, not do this, but I do want to explain to you what posts are. If we look at this page, if we looked at, what I typed into this page, and this is a page that we're looking at, all that's here is this heading, instructors, and then this paragraph. And then underneath that, all the page says is display all posts that are instructors, pretty much. So then what happens is this post for this guy, Alec, is a post. So this is a post, and it's displaying it on this page. And I can go look at the post by clicking on it. So now we're looking at a post, and it works pretty much exactly the same. But posts can be displayed on pages. That's the thing to remember. So why would I do this? The reason I do this is because in this case, it's easier for me to go in and make a post rather than update this instructors page. So let's say we have a new instructor here at Slam Academy. All I have to do is go into WordPress, make a post with all of their information, and then file it in the category because posts have categories. So I say this is an instructor page. So I just click that little category. And then it shows up on this page automatically. And it'll be in alphabetical order because I've specified it to be in alphabetical order. So this could be useful to you. You might do something where you say, I'm going to set up a page that's going to show all of my music that is dance music. And then I'm going to have a separate page that's all my music that is like music with my band. So then you would make a post every time you have a new track. You make a post, you say whatever you can about it, put the audio example in there, and then, or put the track in there as maybe SoundCloud link or something like that, and then categorize it and say, this is my band. And then it shows up on the band page automatically. Now that's one way you could do stuff. It's a bit more complicated to set that up. And maybe if I get enough comments on it, I'll add a separate video walking through how to do that. But for now, let's keep it simple and let's just do everything as pages. So here's another page. We can type all we want in page, and we can put anything we want in a page. And if I want to update this page, I don't do the fancy post thing. All I do is go into this page and type the new stuff. So I could have done that with instructors, where instead of making a post, I go into this instructors page and just type in this stuff. It's not that much work. It's actually pretty simple to do. So that's the difference between pages and posts. I like to think of posts as modular nuggets of information, and pages as main containers of stuff. So those posts can get put into pages, but more or less, you have to have pages. You can augment pages with posts if you want to, but it gets really complicated really fast, so you're better off just using pages. So I think I've beat this horse to death now by saying, let's just stick with pages. At least for now. If you want to get fancy later, that's totally cool. But for now, let's stick to pages. Cool?